Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Facebook Music Story is not working. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, I have Facebook open here. I will just tap on the Create a Story button here, and then you'll see towards the top you can see text and then music. I can tap on music, and then it pulls up lots of popular songs. I can tap See All to discover all of the music on Facebook to add to my story. However, if this is not working, say maybe if you see this but you tap on something and then it doesn't pop up with the actual song, then I'll walk you through a couple of steps that you can take to make sure it's working again. So first thing what we'll want to do is exit out here and go to your app store, and then we can just tap on the little search icon, and then we'll just search for Facebook. So what you'll want to note here is if Facebook says open, then it's fully updated. If it says update here, then it's not updated, and you'll want to make sure to update Facebook so that you get the kind of latest version, and make sure that you have everything available to be able to watch or listen to the music. So the first step is to hit update there if it says update. The second step is if the music is not working, we'll head over to settings here. And then we'll just scroll down to general and tap on that. And then we'll tap on iPhone storage. And then this will pull up all your apps. We'll just want to scroll through here and find Facebook. There's Facebook. And then we're going to offload the app. And what this does is it kind of resets the system files within the Facebook app. So I offloaded it, and then I can hit reinstall here and then go out of here. You can see that it's loading Facebook. This doesn't change anything. This doesn't delete anything or any of that stuff. It just kind of resets the system files on Facebook. So if there was a bug preventing you from being able to add music to your story, this will kind of clear up the bug and do a fresh install. So once this is done installing, then we will just tap on it again, and then the music should be working. So we'll open it up. You can see it opens up just normal, and then we can hit create story, and then your music should be working at that point. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.